Heavy rainfall lashed several parts of Delhi NCR on Saturday. The downpour disrupted traffic and caused waterlogging in several parts of Delhi and Noida. Commuters there have been advised to brace for delays. Well, areas including Shastri Bhavan, RK Puram, Moti Bagh and Kidwai Nagar witnessed intense showers. Visuals right on your screens. Waterlogging also witnessed on Mathura Road following light rain. We have some big breaking coming in. Over 100 flights have been delayed, with inbound and outbound schedules affected, with some flights there being cancelled. 105 flights were delayed on Saturday. 92 outbound flights behind schedule. This is the big news that we are tracking for all our viewers. Flight radar data, they're showing 105 flights were delayed on Saturday, while 13 flights to the IGI airport were delayed. 92 outbound flights were also behind schedule. Airline advisories urged passengers to check flight schedules before traveling and to plan for extra time on the road. Airport authorities, they're saying operations were currently running with ground teams working with relevant agencies to minimize disruption for passengers. Delhi and its neighbouring areas received heavy rain, bringing a respite from the humidity and leaving several areas of the capital waterlogged. And there now we have this big breaking coming in for all those who had their flights scheduled for today. We suggest you check the schedule once again, given that over 100 flights have been delayed with inbound and outbound schedules affected. Some flights, in fact, also have been cancelled. Heavy rains have been lashing parts of Delhi NCR since yesterday evening. The downpour there disrupted traffic and caused waterlogging in several parts of Delhi and Noida. Commuters have been advised to brace for delays. Several areas including Shastri Bhavan, RK Puram, Moti Bagh, Kidwai Nagar witnessed intense showers. Waterlogging also witnessed on Mathura Road following light rain, as well as Bharat Mandapam's Grade Number 7 also they are waterlogged due to early morning rainfall. As per the IMD forecast, Delhi is expected to get another spell of rain on the 13th and 14th of August. The rainfall will bring the temperature down by a few degrees, but of course it goes without saying that the commuters will have to face the wrath, given that the several areas there are witnessing waterlogging, bringing traffic to its knees. The capital there woke up to a rain-soaked Saturday, and it wasn't just a passing shower, viewers. Heavy rainfall hit several parts of Delhi NCR, throwing traffic out of gear. Several areas waterlogged, leaving stretches in Delhi and Noida waterlogged. Commuters there had a tough time navigating the chaos. And if you're heading out, be prepared for delays. This is what we are suggesting. And in fact, for those who have just joined us, over 100 flights have been delayed, while some flights have also been cancelled. It wasn't just the roads feeling the impact of today's downpours. The skies weren't spared either, viewers. Over 100 flights are facing delays, with both arrivals and departures hit. Some services even cancelled. Flight radar data shows 105 flights delayed on Saturday, 13 inbound to IGI airport, 92 outbound, running behind schedule. Airlines are advising passengers to double-check their flight status before leaving home and to factor in extra travel time given the traffic snarls. In fact, right on your screens, this is the passenger advisory that has been issued. It says that as per the Indian Meteorological Department's forecast, Delhi is experiencing inclement weather conditions. However, all flight operations at Delhi airport are currently normal. Our on-ground teams are working diligently with all stakeholders to ensure your journey remains hassle-free. For the latest flight information, passengers are advised to contact their respective Airlines. This is in fact a passenger advisory they're issued. The latest is that over 100 flights have been delayed. Some flights have even been cancelled. Flight radar data, they're showing 105 flights delayed on Saturday, while 13 flights to the IGI airport were delayed, 92 outbounds. Flight also behind schedule. Those who have just joined us are wondering what exactly is happening. Delhi woke up to some intense showers. Heavy rainfall lashed several parts of Delhi NCR on Saturday. Downpour disrupted traffic and caused waterlogging in several parts of Delhi and Noida. I'm also joined by Mahesh Palawat, Vice President SkyMet. Thank you very much, sir, for speaking to Newsline. Do tell us, sir, what exactly is driving this this weather in Delhi. All of a sudden, what we are witnessing is that the roads are waterlogged. There are several flights which have been delayed, some even cancelled, and the downpour is just continuing. What is exactly driving it?
Neha, until now, the axis of monsoon trough was traveling along the foothills of Himalaya, leading to heavy rainfall over Himachal, Uttarakhand, and adjoining parts of northwest Uttar Pradesh. But now the western end of axis of monsoon trough has traveled south over Delhi and Haryana and over western parts of Uttar Pradesh, leading to intensification in rainfall activities. Moreover, a cyclonic circulation is also over western parts of Uttar Pradesh. So that's why these areas are experiencing heavy to very heavy downpour. But it will not continue for long. For next 1.5 hours, it will subside. But yes, intermittent rain is anticipated for another 24 to 48 hours. Thereafter, there will be some reduction in rain activity. Then again, we expect a heavy spell around 14th and 15th of August. Yeah.
All right. And Mr. Mahesh, are we also looking at an extended rainy phase, or these are just, isolated heavy spells?
These are isolated heavy spells, but light to moderate rain may continue for another 2 days over many parts of northwest India, including Delhi, NCR, Punjab, Haryana, northeast Rajasthan, and western parts of Uttar Pradesh. But it will not be such heavy. But weather is not going to clear up completely. There will be scattered rain during early morning hours, then late evening and night hours. During afternoon hours, there will be some relief, and there will be sunshine for a few hours.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mahesh Palawat, for joining us with all of those important insights. My colleague Jitendra Bhati also gets us the latest from ground. Let's quickly take a listen.
थोड़ी देर की बारिश और दिल्ली का क्या हाल है आपको दिखाते हैं। इस वक्त मैं मौजूद हूँ भारत मंडपम के सामने। जरा इस तरह के राजू ये तस्वीर दिखाइए और देखिए यहाँ बड़े बड़े कार्यक्रम होते हैं और देखिए इसके सामने जो सड़क है यहाँ पर प्रगति मैदान से आगे की तरफ होके आती है। यहाँ आप देखेंगे तो जरा सी देर की बारिश ने किस तरीके से यहाँ पर जल भराव जो स्थिति पैदा करती है। ये स्थिति जब है जब थोड़ी ही देर की बारिश हुई है, तकरीबन आधे घंटे से 40 मिनट, और अगर रात भर इसी तरीके से बारिश होती रहती है तो क्या यहाँ का हाल होगा आप वो देख सकते हैं। और हालांकि यहाँ पर देखिए प्रशासन ने इंतज़ाम किए हुए हैं। यहाँ पर जो पंप है उसको चालू कर दिया गया है जैसी बारिश पड़ी है, ताकि जो जल भराव है वो यहाँ पर ना हो पाए। इसकी भी व्यवस्था यहाँ पर की गई है। ये पंप यहाँ पर लगा दिया गया है, लेकिन फिर भी आप देखिए इसके बावजूद यहाँ की स्थिति आप देखिए किस तरीके से यहाँ पर थोड़ी ही बारिश में जल भराव जो है वो देखने को मिल रहा है। और देखिए सामने अगर आप देखेंगे तो वहाँ पर टनल भी है, तो ऐसे में उसके अंदर भी पानी भर सकता है। और फिलहाल ये आप देखेंगे तो सर्विस रोड पर भी पानी भर गया है। फिलहाल ये स्थिति है और दिल्ली में कई जगह यही स्थिति देखने को मिल रही है कि जल भराव जो है वो देखने को मिल रहा है। हालांकि जल भराव से जहां लोगों को दिक्कत होती है, वहीं पर राजनीति का एक बड़ा मुद्दा भी बन जाता है, क्योंकि जो पूर्व की सरकार है वो मौजूदा सरकार से कहते हैं कि आपने पहले इस बात को लेकर के बड़े बड़े ऐलान किए थे कि जल भराव नहीं होने देंगे, और जो मौजूदा सरकार है वो ये कहती है कि आपने अपने शासनकाल में ठीक से काम किया होता तो आज दिल्ली की हालत नहीं होती। लेकिन इस बीच अगर सबसे ज़्यादा परेशानी होती है तो उन लोगों को जिन सड़कों से जाते हैं, किसी का वाहन खराब होता है तो किसी को पानी में से होकर गुजरना पड़ता है।